You know what's so crazy?
What's good, blood? What happened?
I wasn't really gonna say nothing.
Talk
But you know what I noticed? Why the fuck is everybody doing rainbow hair now?
Real shit. I was gonna say the same thing.
The excuses. No, because of this reason. No,
I talk
do
about
not
me because
care.
I ain't making no excuses.
Why?
I've been.
When I first did it,
I was gonna rock this, my nigga. My shit different from yours anyway.
Why this thing got rainbow hair? Now
got
everybody wanna do
with
it.
The pink shit right here with the little neon shit.
I don't give a
You talking to
no,
other
but
niggas, you ain't talking like
this.
My shit different from yours.
Bitch, I think he's losing his mind now. What happened? You don't even know where he got me at right now. I'm getting so fucking... Hold on. Excuse me, why the fuck are we at the dumpster? Oh. Did you lose something, or this is one of your new fucking hobbies?
Baby, this stuff is still good. We could use this in the house.
What type of nigga brings his girl to the fucking trash to go shopping?
You know what they say, another man's trash, another man's treasure.
That's not how you say it, but anyway.
I found you.
Wait a minute, nigga. You did not find me in no fucking garbage can. You calling me trash, nigga?
I wasn't saying it like
I know your bum ass not calling me fucking trash, nigga. Don't play yourself. Don't ever play yourself, nigga. I'm the best thing that ever fucking happened to you. Don't ever do it. Can you believe him, bitch? Hello?
Yeah, I'm here.
Got me out here fucking shopping for rabies, STDs, and bed bugs in a fucking dumpster.
Your man wildin' right here.
Fam, you gotta take that Bronx shit off your head before you get your head taken off. Pause.
This Harlem, my nigga. Don't get it fucked up.
Nigga, you from Harlem or the Bronx? Which one, B?
Fucks with Harlem and the Bronx. My nigga's not even that
This nigga here.
What part, my G?
Harlem? Yeah, what part of Harlem or Bronx? Nigga, you walking around here looking like a fucking tourist right now, my nigga. Straight up.
Nigga, you bugging trying to confuse niggas. Where's you from, fam? Straight up. Where you from, my nigga?
See, now you trying to be funny, my nigga. You gonna pull out the New York hat? Where from New York, my nigga?
Everywhere.
Everywhere like where?
From everywhere. Yo, check this, fam. I'm not even feeling your energy like
this
that, my
shit,
nigga. Nah, I could do that.
I make it easy for you. 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 Pick up a bag and I'm gone. No use to hit my phone. Niggas stay right.
What in a dirty ass Drake is going on?
What are you talking about?
What do you mean? Look at that shit.
What? I'm shaping my shit up.
You look stupid as shit. What the fuck? Are you kidding me right now?
I couldn't find no blazing pink. No paint. No blazing paint. So I
don't even know how to say it.
So what? Everybody's doing it. Everybody's doing it. Ghost.
What did you use?
Ghost from Power did it. Everybody used it.
What did you use?
The mascara. Like,
stop. Why did you do that?
Because I can't grow my shit, baby. I try to eat. Look, I try to eat.
Look at that.
I put my whole star.
He is dumb cute. Word. He can get it. Hey, handsome.
Yo, chill, B.
He looking like a thugged out Cassidy. Nigga, you wanna come to my hotel?
Yo, come on. Yo, that's sexual harassment.
Ew. Being stink.
Okay.
Okay.
I like girls.
Okay. But once you turn gay, it's hard to run away.
Yo, y'all bugging right now. Chill. Y'all do what y'all do. I'ma do what I do.
You all skinny? I bet you got a big dick.
Alright, now y'all on some faggot shit for real.
Nah, who you calling a faggot? We gay.
Talking to you and your
Word.
Ski you.
Oh, it's more.
What's that faggot shit you was talking? What's that faggot shit? Grab that nigga. Come here, you beautiful motherfucker. Please don't stop. Please don't stop.
Yo, Ma, what's up?
Oh, God.
Holler at you?
Back up before you get us fucking killed. My man is fucking crazy, okay?
No,
it is. It is that serious. It is that serious.
Say I'm just trying to get to know.
Go get to know your mother. I said I have a man and he's crazy.
Who your man? Who your man?
He's a murderer. He's a murderer. He kills niggas, just like you. You saying all right, but you still standing here. Leave. Leave.
Just can't get the number.
I'm gonna bust you upside the head with this shoe. What part you don't understand? My man is a murderer. He's crazy. Leave me alone. Have a nice day. The fuck? So what? So what? I'm keeping the baby.
No, you not.
There's nothing.
No,
I'm keeping the baby. You don't
Nah.
have to be around when the baby is born, okay?
My pull-out game strong, though, so you bugging.
Wait. So you trying to say I'm a fucking hoe or something?
Nah. I'm just saying, ain't no way that's my baby.
You came out here to be mad fucking nosy, mister.
Nah, I didn't even know y'all was out here.
Fam, so why you came out here then?
I'm throwing out my trash.
With one fucking box, you could have brought the whole trash can out here for all
What are you
that.
worrying about y'all?
You need to mind your fucking business.
Go back in the crib,
crazy.
my nigga.
violate. This shit not gonna run out there.
I told you not to go out there in the first
You gave me the fucking box. You didn't give me the box?
Well, it's your fault. You don't even know how to be nosy.
You going out there next time then. You go out there the next time. My face, man. She fucking put vodka in my fucking face, man.
I'll fuck up.
Don't go out there. Don't go out there.
What happened? You wanna be nosy too?
See?
What you said? Be alone? Look through her phone. She's not around. I sure with dusty ass. What the fuck you put in your contacts as dusty ass, yo? Nah, this better not be no other nigga. You got me as dusty ass? How you put me in your contacts? Huh?
I'm looking for my phone and I can't find it.
I don't know where your phone at. I don't know where your phone at. You said it's going to voicemail.
Yes.
Keep trying. I don't know where your phone is. Crazy. Just look under the bed. You know, it falls a lot. You never know what's that. What's that?
Where's that coming from?
Check the dresser. It could be anywhere. You never know
That's
where your
coming
phone.
from you?
No, it's not. Baby, stop. Stop. I can't find it. I can't find it. I can't find it. Get off me. Why you calling me dusty ass for? Why you calling me dusty ass? Huh? Change. Hold on, cut that. I still fuck mad bitches to everybody over here. I fucked your girl. I'm still fucking niggas. Yo, suck your mother.